Hey, boys and girls. We are going to start math spirals on Monday. And what it looks like is you have 4 days of about 7 to 8 questions that will be aligned to what we're doing in class. You want to make sure that you're doing them each day so that on Fridays you can self-correct them and have discussions, ask questions, reach out for help, etc. You will be completing these, and you'll see that there's not a lot of room. So, attached on each part, you'll have a work page that you can do work and show your work, and then you can also record how many questions you got correct, out of how many, what you need more help with to be able to do it. You will have an answer key that looks like this throughout each week. They'll be located in my room on the side of the wall in a folder. So just make sure that you're getting those done, getting them signed off on your task list, and you will master your spirals.